How to apply command key logo design in Adobe Illustrator. So first take line segment tool and draw a line. Now copy the by holding Alt, drag and copy lines by hold Ctrl and pressing D. Also copy the lines, Ctrl C, paste the font, Ctrl F. Now rotate the lines holding Shift key. Okay, that's good. Now take ellipse tool and draw a circle equal to the 4 lines. Draw another circle here like that. Okay, that's fine. Now select everything and rotate holding Shift key. Now select the circle and copy, Ctrl C, paste the font, Ctrl F. Now make it smaller or equal to the smaller square like that. Now select everything and rotate holding Shift key. Now select the circle and copy, Ctrl C, paste the font, Ctrl F. Now make it smaller from the left side of the circle. Now select everything and rotate it like that. Now select everything and take shape builder tool and draw the design over here. Do it carefully. Now select the lines and delete. Select the design and turn off the stock color and give the gradient color. Now use the gradient color perfectly and select all, hold Alt and drag and copy. And this is my final result.